Live from Las Vegas, this is NAB Show Live, produced by Broadcast Beat.
Hey, what's going on? And welcome to NAB Show Live. We're at the NAB Show 2017. My name is Jamie Alexander, and we're here at the Silverdraft booth with Silverdraft and Digitalglue. And I'm here with Amy and Nick. How are you guys?
Oh, fantastic. Fantastic. It's been a great show so far.
Yes, I would have to agree. And how about you, Nick?
It's been great.
Lovely, lovely. So it's great because we have both of you guys here together. We love collaborating. That's what this is all about.
It is.
Yeah.
It is.
So please tell us about Silverdraft.
You know, here at Silverdraft, we build supercomputers and high-performance workstations that are designed specifically for the artist and the artist's needs. We really focus on visualization, and so we build extremely fast, high-end computers that help artists get the job done. Yeah.
It's so all about getting the job done. We just have to have that,
Right?
like the technology.
Right? Yes. You know, we want to give artists this freedom so that that stream of consciousness can happen for them, and that they're not sitting there waiting for things, that they can create, and the art and the technology doesn't hinder them, it aids them.
Oh, that's so perfect. I love that. And so tell me a little bit about Digitalglue.
Yeah, so at Digitalglue, we're a systems integrator, so we do everything from those Silverdraft workstations to the storage, the asset management. We put it all together. We put together the documentation, training, custom tailored to the workflow of specific customers. And we can do even anything from building out entire studios, production, even the green screens, lighting, everything, just end-to-end servicing.
Oh, wow. I love that. So it sounds like the perfect collaboration in order for someone to seamlessly get things done and almost customizable a little bit because you guys are working together. So tell me about that.
It is. You know, we're really fortunate to be working with Digitalglue. I mean, they are a great partner for us. They really get the story out with regards to why we design the computers the way that we do. These aren't, just your average consumer-based system, and they get that. They understand that. They want the best things for their clients. And so, it works very well together, and we've had some great success together, and we'll continue to push forward because you're right, collaboration is key, whether that is with your resellers, your component partners, or your artists, your studios. It's a win-win for everybody when people are willing to work together and give the best that we possibly can to the clients.
Yes, absolutely. So tell me, what are you guys presenting new here at the NAB, or what are you showcasing today?
We're showcasing the VR workstations. That's the main thing. We've got a new chassis for them. We've actually been doing a lot of exciting projects. Can't really name exactly who we did it with, but we've got a really great experience here, safety training experience with some kind of home product improvement store that you can check out. That was really cool that they set up for a trade show. Then we also have the Devil's supercomputing, so it's scale up systems using InfiniBand, and pretty much if you can dream it, we can do it. So it's really performance based. What do you need to do? We can help you do it.
I love it, and I saw the advancement. I got to speak with one of your colleagues, and so he was explaining to me how this system kind of allows the reflection to follow and move with it. And I was just telling him how we take such advantage as just consumers, and we're watching and we're like, oh, that looks great, it's cool, but there's so much work that goes on behind it. So
there is so much work. I mean, when we look at VR, you have what we call your enterprise level VR, and that is very high scale, high end VR, whether that's automotive, whether that's product design, manufacturing, medical. And so we really, from an enterprise level VR, that's a sweet spot for us because that's such heavy amounts of data. And so a couple of the things here that we're doing is we have what's called our Devil supercomputer. And on that supercomputer, we actually have the HTC Vive connected to a supercomputer. We're doing VR off of the supercomputer, and we're doing real-time ray tracing in automotive. And so we're using Autodesk VRED software, and we're doing real-time ray tracing, which is kind of considered the holy grail. Yeah. So that is something we're showing off here. And then our Demon VR system, which is our VR system computer, and we have Wonder Buffalo, which is a wonderful piece that was done with Technicolor and USC and us, and we're showing that as well. It just was at Sundance, and it was just at South by Southwest. So
Oh my gosh, you guys are handling all the fun stuff.
fun stuff, really cool VR things, and really cool, great people to work with. So, hopefully it'll just, that excitement will just continue, and it's a pleasure being here with you as well.
Yes, thank you guys so much for spending time with us. So if you could give me one takeaway of about what you think your consumers are really excited about when it comes to your brand. You mean, obviously you gave me some really great things, but what kind of feedback are you getting?
That we listen to them. We listen to their needs, we listen to their pain points, and we give and build them solutions to solve those things. And it's not just, I'm throwing a computer at you and see you later. It's okay, you have the system, how will that scale with your, with your business as you grow, as you're designing things, and it's that, again, collaboration of working with them as well and listening and hearing their needs. Because honestly, we could have the most incredible technology, but if it's not what the artist needs and it's not what the artist is using, it doesn't really mean anything. So their feedback is what gives us the information and to design what the next system is going to be. So
I love that. And how do you think for Digital Glue, the same question, that some of your customers are responding to the exciting things that you guys have presented?
Yeah, I mean, it's all about, custom tailoring to their workflow. You have lots of these solutions can be huge. You could just drop a manual on your lap, right? But we just custom tailor. If assistant editor needs to do a process, we write it exactly. That's what they're going to do. And same thing with the Silverdraft workstations. If you're using Adobe, it's an Adobe workstation. It's not a collection of components that are in some computer. And it's like, hopefully that works for what you're doing. This is an Adobe workstation. It does exactly what you need for Adobe, and we're not going to give you more than what Adobe can use, right? It's understanding exactly what the applications use and utilizing just that.
No, I guess that's the thing that with regards to Digital Glue and us, it's that white glove experience.
I love it. Thank you guys so much for sharing. I'm so excited about your collaboration. It makes perfect sense, and I'm sure you guys will see a lot of success in the future with everything.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Nick.
you.
Thanks, guys.